Good afternoon, students. Today we will study this electronic effects in organic reaction. We had studied about the polar organic reactions, that is having nucleophilic center, that is called as a nucleophilic attack, the electrophilic center in substrate, whereas the center in an electrophile attacks nucleophilic center in the substrate. So we had already studied that when electrophile attacks called as an electrophilic reaction, and when nucleophile attacks called as a nucleophilic reaction. So how this nucleophilic or nucleophilic center generated in neutral substrate. This is because of the displacement of valence electrons within the some organic molecules, and which results in the polarization. The meaning of polarization is formation of positive and negative center in the substrate, and this is called as a electronic effect. So what is electronic effect? The displacement of valence electrons resulting in the polarization of organic molecule is called electronic effect. The displacement of valence electrons resulting in the polarization of organic molecule is called electronic effect. The electronic effect that occurs in ground state is a permanent effect, and this permanent electronic effect is inductive effect. So it occurs in the ground state. It is a permanent effect. It takes place due to the influence of certain atom or substituent or certain structural features present in the molecule. Inductive effect and the resonance effects are the two examples of electronic effect. So on the other hand, the electron displacement effect occurring in a substance due to approach of attacking reagent is a temporary, and the example of temporary electronic effect is electromeric effect or polarizability effect. So in short, we had studied that this electronic effects are two types. One is a permanent and other is a temporary. Permanent electronic effects are inductive effect and the resonance effect, and the temporary electronic effect is electromeric effect, or it is called as a polarizability effect. Now we will study in detail about inductive effect, resonance effect, and polarizability effect in detail in the next lecture. Thank you.